bed dear no dembom oba no so betima fili ama ne yonko ba nyame anim no kurani nyame anim no kurani na ayi wo hoyi obed wo hoyi hwe obed pa no ni Orlando si mi fili obed are you crazy ara maybe why me to be fili ejakun wa bra soft ladies wo what like yeah me cousin bare ko fo we fo I say yet wa gra e bo say ko ma wi ade de remo and we are all banner o school ye nkoketi ade bi awra ni mu without ono enim say ye de ade bi awra ni mu enti asaki akwada na dwam na hu say ewi ase no kra wo hodma utimi nya feeling ma yonko ba oyo ba utimi nya feeling ma yonko ba na no ye binary de and dom de brofo kama account under common terms no already under common terms now the point 1 the point 2 point 3 sexual number point 4 now there's a 1 2 3 4 5 6 ni dangerous Kwame anope machi
mejo so
empom ti say
oba dia da roma Beni me hoye
e for a killers
e ba chona onso e obeni
Beni
bigili eze onso hoye
Kwame me ho be de aye apom de me hoye na de ko so me ho be de aye enyo unse hunu ye omu de ya enye de omu ye nye de omu ye ogada ya
obeni unim Ghana for ye
Oboku beka jo se nye di omu ye na me twa aye nye di omu ye o Ghana
nye di omu ye ya aka bibia e fine Kwame onim omo release ni mo no wo mo try senka ahase no second paragraph no be chire ni memu danda ni oma e chire mu se ena de buy na teacher for de enti de teacher for be yi na enye the final one the man kwada no be use ni de na me say o twi teacher ni na adwen kura si sa de no so aye den teacher ni no o de sa de no ko shemu so ono ngi no nhwe mu nkan enya den. You see, sometimes we are trying to be smart, but we are not smart. We are not smart. This is not the time again. I say, yeah, the Bibia Babontia Ghana for you and kind be more there. Say Ghana for your parking kind. Ghana for your better research. Ghana for we always want to understand things. Timpeni for no fan to mutrimo say they cannot have their way through as they always do. Said the Ananka face, no. Niema bakumienu no ma find way na ye sneaky de fam na obi an hu hwe o chena bi animra ye ho so na say di juma dada say antisa but me person me bisa question say na me say they be ntina sadi once and for all yen to me make a firm statement, a strong one emfa nkyere Ghana for na yemfa nkyere ye partners yemfa nkyere your neighbors, young fantre, these white people say, we in our culture, we do not accept LGBTQ plus whatsoever. We don't like it. We don't like it. There be before no your culture and they say, yay, bemani oba edin shemu. Bemani oba edin shemu. No penny ubenya tinka de chance Bema mu de okofa bema mu atenka de ayeden bema ne bema de yeden oba ne ba wo de yeden nti ye pese ye di nyankopon na tem se sebi o ono nim nyansa na ye na sisi ye nim nyansa nti ye pese ye de ye pa bia Kwame ya hwe ye bedru mra bi ye beka se obi a won right nti osori a obetumi akonya na tinka firi duam obi a the right nti osori obekwa akwanya na tinka wa aboa mu and Kwame na no bi na me ne openi mi kasa a spiritual person pa o say babia yadru no say ya ma in the spiritual world no the other creatures na nyankopon abo emmoa ne nnua ne nnobaye ne nasefo no, they are fighting with us for supremacy. The obaba be di asase so. Sana no o kire me because ya ye niema bias ya niema che sa adwene ne ntiase no kra on ntiase. Okoya yes me right. Okoya yes me right. Now you left no way. You left no way. Right to the extent to say bema ni bema kwa koda trumu. Wa bra nyankopon ne nyansa ne nimdie mu. Wa bokwan mi no de ato oba ho. A kire se aha na bema ne oba be di nhyiamu. Aha de sebe nioma enya firi ni padua no na be firi aba. Ha ye bi nkwan. Kafra pedifo amutie me. But the toda niema bi pushi wo ma wo ka asem. Aden. How did we get here? How did we get here? Nti ye disua na yesua. Ni ye niema yesi ye pa hunu no. Ba bi edi ye kwa kopie no no. School ahodo na ye ko yesua ye pa niema tiase no. Ti die pesi ye hu no. Obaku yamaimu hansuma ye Christian dominated country. Christian dominated country. So who are the people championing this LGBTQ plus agenda no? Who are the people behind it? Yes, sanso e won kramofo nwo kroma so o hwe nkramofo ne a Christopher akwabene ye dominate omaimu ha bebre. Christosum etia nkramosum etia. Inti why mo pa na champion is agenda we. Why mo pa and you behind this devilish, this evil act ya ekosui. Why mo pa na you behind? Me papa mo, me mama mo, a Christopher ni nkremufo. Mo ma ye misa sa question, ni misa ye mpanyifo say. Ye Christian and Islamic dominated country. Ya ye nyina yesom no etia sa niema yi sa trumuturubu ne dia lelelele na sefo no etia nti wamo ene etachire ana ye pese ye kire se ye ba be duru bia ye bia fei like ye ho so ama de be ye bia sa amorofu yi ene ye koji sika firi omo nti wo mo na e kire ye nkwa ye befa so aboye mbra na Kwaya Bafaso as a sovereign country, and now we are no longer a sovereign country. Said the constitution, we are sovereign country, because the constitution say you're a sovereign country, and this sovereign power is emanated from Ghana for yet before. This is before who are these few selfish individuals when we are behind now I'm asking the question, why is the government quiet now? Why is the government not taking steps? Because we have characters not your own opposition, you know, they were loud all of the time. No where are they? They should come and give us explanations. Why are you to mean passing LGBTQ plus you to mean passing that bill? No. At the end, I see they are now banty you to mean passing. Oh, they should come and inform us. Yeah, nipa. Ya tiasem so na was here tiasie be tiasie there was bisa questions ye be bisa questions, so they should come out clear. They should talk to us. They should talk to us Ghanaians. They should let us understand, say these are the reasons behind why yen to me pass LGBTQ plus bill now you see a pet the Ghanaian social values na say for na you see and no never be protecting you they be yen to me pass. What are the delays? They should let us know. For Christ's sake, they should let us know. They womo govern timemufu na womo direct or minor yedi to me na show munsem so womo direct ye baby e befa nti timemufu no ye pa hu ye party de afiri omo nchen. Ana say ye papa mo ye ma me mo Christopher ni nkramofo yi ene ye behind ene o mo kire say aban mo ntentwen so ma mo pass. They should come out and let us know. They
have to fish out nipa.
They have to let us know.
Because ultimately can chem say naka ho nyina a publication a monsa e hyase you cannot tell me say obia ehun because meaning say omo wi a omo ya de friend presentation e kire board no the entire was a curriculum ni tum no they do presentation until from that time na supervisors share more observers share more supervisors be share more board yeah presentation chiro mu to the print house ya huni pa oye in charge say ya print per page no o man who say sa and say who wish him is that what they are telling us and then someone will come and tell us say typo they are typo now why they are typo typo na a whole we cry a sentence
Kwame, we cannot accept this.
A paragraph on
Kwame,
its own.
We cannot accept this. One type we no. One read it through and sakra no more printing. No more printing we no.
We read proof.
Read proof no.
Now, Kwame,
now almost our printing we no. One more anya hard copy ni be and read it through again and again and again to certify it and sakra na babontia. And what are some of this light excuses nobody my what are some of these insulting excuses nobody my why are they trying to belittle our intelligence? Why do they want to insult us like say yeah they've taken us for granted because we are not loud enough, because we don't ask questions, because we don't push them to do what we want always, because we've left the beard their mom say and woman to me no kuto muntino ye jiomu dinti womo nya de ye pemfa maye and womo so tese womo elfa de sebi e di dinsem hunu ye no one say na me ye no one say na me wo kromo ha sesenti seme Kwame eja komiti hoyi na wo Nkwantabisa ati hoyi say gase na mesi manije ho na mo se mu beji atum babra ho akona na mo say no otwemanim na mesi mempe Nkwantabisa sesenti dabi sesenti obenyi sesenti se sebe nya bibi na ha adwene na eda wo tirimu a nya bibi na ekoche bibi na nkoyie wo tirimu a de nti na obe kase wo pe yonko be ma na de be nti na wo nso a wote suru wo be kase wo ba be fo asa di so wo be makwan se ni djuma de be nti
annoying
de be nkrantia mo de mo me nti ase de nti and now before say mo be assume offices ahodo on na asefo no enkofo yi na boa mo and sana motumi anya office no, and so they controlled you from behind. Oh, come on. It is high time. I wasn't by this time. Come here. I expect senka by this time. Ye papa no kremu for malam for ni sheik for ni imam for ni asofo ni bishops ni nasefo by this time ko ma kan bom. Ato press ato jadi amampenyifo aye hu demonstrations ahodo wa abonten. National Peace Council for makasa. Nanke who say way forward. Now enumpokra send a clear message to the outsiders say the mo person ye leaders say ye no timemufo no mpe
masankofo na
timemufo no mpe sebe ye betumi abo leaders no so na omafa striking tentem de ye pen no maye. So if we sit idle like this and we leave all the powers, you know, and the more most wo mfanya de omo ya sa they fear to take decisions. Ye papa no malam for sheik for imam for asofo for mpanyifo a anopayi mu tie yen ye pam acho momra bonten monye demonstration change we nu kwanse ye jama NPP ni NDC o nye so ombe ye no politics sa na koba sa ne dandan no. This is the time I was saying mpanyifo mo sorry dear chamawu to me kan no, this is the time we need that. Ghana for mun sorry o penifo mun sorry o babia wo bodi eti kwako wura no enye yempe emwa yen anida so bi anim eno me kase no mo de bra yen yempe Sodom ni Gomora abia biem yetwam
Kwame
yetwam
mami nwura mbra na aropen menkamfo Dimpa Natural Health Clinic Dimpa Natural Health Clinic na no pe otun safro waka kyerɛw sɛ ba yade a your friend stomach ulcer ɛno deɛ dimpa natural health ana ɛyɛ expert ɛwɔ mu dimpa natural health sɛ ɛyɛ gastric ulcer sɛ ɛyɛ ulcer bia wonim bia no ɔmo deɛ ɔmo yɛ specialist ɔmo yɛ expert ɛnso ɛwɔ hɔ brade ɛhwɛ ulcer ne ma wo ɛma ulcer nti nka dem ɛma ulcer nti wontimi ni wakɔnɔ aduane so ɔbɔmɔden apia mu dimpa natural health clinic arɔpɛ hyɛdo so sɛ ɛba awo mu nso a nyame adom dimpa babies ne dɔso infertility ɛwɔ ɔbaa na bɛrima no momra na momehu yɛn yɛbɛhwɛ nnwɔmam ne akyerɛ mo deɛ mbɛyɛ saa nso na wɔ low libido ɛma wo appetite for sex kra ba ɔba ɛbɛhu ya we will work on that for you saa ɛnso na arɔpɛ yi omiya labs ahodoɔ ne scan nyinaa wɔ hɔ tia wo hia sɛ ɔkɔ akɔtwa scan anaa bɛyɛ lab wɔ baabi hyɛ no nso sɛ dimpa building no ɛwɔ Kumasi Kenya ase borɔfo yɛ du onya duru ɛyɛ bosɔre junction hɔ a ɛhɔ ada abɛhu yɛn wobɛhu sɛ yɛ billboard no esi hɔ arɔpɛ frɛ 0245 118 434 0245 118 434 anaa 0246 744 744 0246 744 744. Yeah, they say accurate diagnosis is half cure. Dimpa Natural Health Clinic. Anope bopiomu na omu mau oso wasum enyo emfri yade etesa. RSYD Innovation Studios. Eye studio sonko a aba mau. Enye studio bia ne studio. O twa studio a o person ko fo ba ebe take o videos. Eko eye TV so anase eba eye Facebook X ne de akeka ho di nyina onya bomode a o streaming ko ade a ana ye podcaster ye ba me be cho said ye be hyehyɛ nwoma na wo say cameras na ni da ho afei team na ye no so ye professionals eti bomode a say ba streaming dia any videography na we have professionals or ye wo professional backdrop so honoma ye de ayo program ni nyina e dia ma wo bra Accra enkran ye wo malam abiase ye o wani kire kokroko street no ehwa na behu yen na say obetima from 057 471 5778 057 471 5778 and after 030 397 4822 030 397 4822 na say let everything becomes reality. Ghana fa na nyina so frɛ ya yeba na yaba beteki o program ne so ediamon RSYD Innovation Studios where your vision becomes reality. Arapai anonso no na menkamfo the best and the best sciatica clinic amount the expert na nkasa hu na bobirim ono na sciatica hu na no waboni mu no ada form portrait or portrait in was then say Jawacho say yes. Sciatica can call Nankasa neighbor. I'll pay Boramo 21st Clinic, the sciatica expert. Shadow said 21st Clinic, Yadia say infections no when ya say yes stroke, say just say Yadia bang, Yadia 21st sa. Then so a bas sciatica the yes expert. Or na say Usisi achi o to a sick chiton sa besu nentia. Beso entena ho ma dinyo bo modern ase obeba 21st Clinic aropai yo Kumasi ahwa overseas junction no ye ne afa a na ebo so odru Sompa TV osro anomu fom obo ase ye cancel quarters court junction sanse na nkran ye odome market sunyan ye ne sunyan teaching hospital no anedi anhwe enkransa enso ba ye behwe otachman ye ginam fra 0249311311 0249311311 050311311 na yencho baby ben wo na eko na yenhwo clinics no edoso ye bie branches ni bebre ti ukwa ye behwe kama Arape Kingdom Herbal Center aneto nsafrew Kingdom Herbal Center say omunro ahodo no abamonten so ye Kingdom garlic capsules and bitters. Kingdom garlic capsules and bitters. Ano de a general well-being. Wo yadio wo so pebi no. Na boost to immune system no. Emma stress ahodo about so no. Stress about so wan hweti ma wiye. Na entwa. Sa so na bia anxiety, arthritis, numbness, hypertension how, stroke how. Afei akoma mu yade wakoma bow piri sa. Mesro hweye na wan hwe ade ayo. Cholesterol na show muma. Mesro unya aya Kingdom garlic capsules and bitters. Afei emema no. Emwa de brijo manyoman how manyoma diwanya. Wan sa wa twa bia zuduru anya hwe. Unya Kingdom ginseng power capsules. Kingdom ginseng power capsules. Power capsules. Uti di na chiro bibia. Sexual weakness. Usisi na ya. Wanya mental stress. Ana se onkwamwa na eba no. Eya na esua entitimi enwoba ohun. Afei ema physical energy am wagina so am se wo bema. We die ye se ema extra power. Kingdom ginseng power capsules na make am for more. Ema a tremendous capsules, the almighty tremendous capsules. Ono ane natural health formula. Na oyo ba na himfie no enka won kakra. Ane to bia ne nsuo mu ayeto kan on dem joy. Ema no dia himfie ho nsem de. Uhia the almighty tremendous capsules. Omo ano na edu akanyira bu na infections ni nyina akọ. O menses no wadu madra enko uhia tremendous capsules and edu akagire mu ama o menstrual cycle no etimi abakama bibia sisi so date no enhwintaro no wonu mabonte akwa kogu adumase me so pedodo atu a bomode ya ko Kingdom Herbal Center Okaishi Drug Lane sanso na ko leading pharmaceutical shops ne herbal centers herbal shops ni na obenya bi atofre 0597 298 855 0597 298 855 and 0559 761 144 0559 761 944 na also Ebra 144 adopay we Kingdom for ana etonsa afro Kingdom ana no challenger bank any bank bi anya bank bi o ado ni to so abekọ ni ato shop ni na padlock credo da no no nyasem ketwa ni na ase ase o maboka o majane Jabira Bank Limited Jabira Bank PLC ana make am for bon so bomadia so per fixed account savings account current account fixed deposit microfinance susu shares ni ya flow to bomadia so ye investment abeto shares nso aye papa ma wonfa so boom emfa so kama mountain so usika ne ye adwuma ma wo eye dwaben rural bank shares ana me kan for dia ma usika ne da wonfa to okwa fa koto shares invest in shares na dachi oba bedamase na auto shares nso dia na dwaben rural bank anopa bomodia ne kopie mu Asante dwaben na headquarters no wo sanso na obedru ejoso onwe fumesua bonwe ya wo sepetimpom your Roman Hill, your Adeshiman, sa enso and your new road, Pancrono and Aboso. Bomodia nebe pim, na fe ulo some yen sorting one time. And mamma come one boma kuono, moba, ya bebuan amamoso so moho atomopa. Enti Bomodia na mumra, sanso na mo fad your man wholesale near the adon ma ba, opeso koya, a asempalone, and I had more interesting wo form pa. Interesting, a very minimal. And so I will hope. Dropping Rabangana. Or see, we are the best. We are the best. Alapa yani come na say no. Aya one hour juma our court no. When yabre 8 months on sika kem. No mde o maboko se abana amemua. Aya dia ebonso o momba ma aban so ayese pa. Ombema ban aso ayese ena se adwuma no ebedu baabi kwa na omuntimi nkobiem because o ya adwuma ne ntwa akadia na ba den na so atima abobra ya no pai ensema eboboba enya asem kitwa efri ho na arabo kwache ofosu se electoral commissioner and the 2 deputies petition na ba manya akiredi na mom OSP e de akwa chief justice so onhwem Kwame
Obeni.
Electoral Commission.
Yes.
The commissioner herself and the deputies. Petition, according to government spokesperson, Ochirema, they say from OSP, I could do the Chief Justice Office.
Obeni, mamena sibim, anopano na LGBT hunsensemti and to me and chatty for your children, yada masi, sanopai, womo achusu, a Sompa 98.9 womo 80 anopai. Now, Kwame, Uganda for to abati, ya wish you all the best of luck. But my auntie say opposition party no, uko pimu or almost strong who are. Oko piemu almost strong who I see a hodom electoral process no and share as ye. But yeah, her say
Uganda on.
Yeah, Uganda.
As I say,
Uganda.
Yes. And no mercy call.
Yes.
Kwame says I bet my bow.
Yes. I belong to one a group beer the course of honina many na so diachi. Na Kwame aposi for mo so mo pa dia kwakugu opposition. Ne strong no Kwame anu odin intimidating tactics ne nasefo nyina na Kwame internet na wo oboma na tiko nyina you see say Gen na Kwame ma ba mo smart wo ebia bawramu ama still yetumi send WhatsApp messages ne Facebook messages ahodo nyina nti de esi wo ho bia no wo se wa blocking why dem crash still am for ene na munti ye boja me so mpa ye se asumbie betumi akoso ewo Uganda hodom na wo matumi elect president to me the menya na nkoma elected for because for 4 decades Museveni adan dia be nko it is something adan dia be nko Kwame Africans ye betumi pa o
pa
ye betumi papa ye nim se ya beye bi nti ya ye bi a ya nya no ho no obi foforo nso meto aso da bi ye nim sa ye ba sa na enyewu se ba sa na mabunu no na ye momo den like wo mu shiegu because adwene no mabunu no mo hyase no se de wo ye energetic no mu sua ne ma foforo hu ne ma foforo na nko mo de bus system no mu na boa 80 something oh Museveni Charlie Kwame anodin anodin Africans ye ka hona mrofo no time bia mubu ye sebi kwase an bad Kwame mimblemu mo to danso a wo mo tata ho no de omunya firi mu no wo mo de no e no mo interest wo mu na obehu se time bia no mo pushi no wo mo nka no kora nkyere no time bia ne e pushi o mo se koye nyame nka mo wo na Kwame Electoral Commission ne petition about Kwame it is long overdue minu ni enim dada even Chief Justice ye predict ye timelines how mode be ye na ma ni nyina ba mu ami hu se ye kosi ya ne se ne ye no ne sanso enim nkoma ye tete because ye were insiders ye presidency ho ankasa ye waso e wo honum a ye tinsam na ye nim se even you can say Electoral Commission the petition there na akoto ho da
yeah
da ho da na e buru be 5 cried gu ho e da ho na omo woni na omo be select yi de ba be di juma e de ba bontin en de ni nim dada ba na twen na ye twen na me how kakra de say Jane one cause now be declare results we all throw as say it is finished
ni na rasa
it is finished tina de ntina de na wo say twen biem ade ntina nka wo wie nyina wo va resignation meto ho ana say osuro bibi ana bibita akire say so the resignation be ba ene ma bi ba chinti ono a twen say ye be yi no nanka na wanya na sumdua na very well let's monitor the process again and see how it goes and let's write this question down say politics ana epe si ebe yi na free ho ana fairness and a demand so obe free ho let's write this question down because as and when our processes in course no we will begin to ask some questions say niema bi ntoasu mo ye bisa say politics wanted it and say fairness demanded it. Let's be very careful, let's be very mindful about some of the routes and the paths we are creating. What we are creating, we should be very careful. Say, and nam ne kwan so, and nam mremu, and mrano so sana tie ni edi di juma. Ni ahia ne kama. However, say would me near more debris be sebe occupy say political appointment and I say a dear here. Say afu to me to no brebi a twa mu say you're careful. Ebia bonia amanfo edia eye normal yemfo bia nkogina court obia ho emma asem no wonko a otene bi wo de no eswapa o eswaketikitiki o nanso emre no mu ye kwa ye benya mra bi a ye betumi de agina so de ayeden abo kwa adude ayi wodi edi ayi wo firi akonwa so na fe ye de wafa kwan bi a wo mpeso sa time no wo ye abeka se politics no and a politics. But then you come near beside a simple question. For me, now one for me. You agree, you accept, say, for me, but where the and Kenya Bonibia there be. Yam pen tears for Babacas, where the and Kenya Bonibia. Say a ya bonidia boni. So people should learn from what is happening now. Say, the net ye dear co manzano. Ochina, yet bet me there a do sampani. And na de to adwo mamle no ochena ebetumi akwakoto akosu akpabuche enunti wo de no ne wanamo na wutu no hwese bibia ye clean bibia ye clear bibia ye open bibia ye transparent because they say bia system no ne of mine na duru no ne the power they say this administration e create no boniki to bia obi abedi bia no obi benya emra etia ne de atwewa so enti hweyie no wani boni hweyie na wanam ontuo no wankɔkyea wo pa hweyie na wudwumadi ahodo a obedi ne wonsem kae ne bibia beda na kwan mu. Let's be very careful, let's be very mindful, and let's learn from the processes now ACCC ano. But media minim se Kwame isi de oko Kwame ono anim se oko ono aya we so oko onim se oko dada onim se oko aka say yebe she processes na se ni aka say ye free ha ye fa ha ena ye di djuma but nim de ye mu bi de ye nim se oko dada OSP de no ena no de Kwame ekwan bi so because ye waso I da from emu be ye de ne kakra cause papa no de so womu yese because Kwame de ye mu bi ye nim ne de ete no womu yese womu be yi takashi ne nasefo tactics bia ono so de ne tactics bi so be ba bonte a ebe expose empenifuo bi
ano de
Mami miema no Kwame.
Ano dia Kwame and dia say and dia ade.
Mami miema no.
Sharif Ogumbede say good morning. Sharif also good morning to you. Beba na me rerem na ma kenkan mo messages ni bi. Na anope Mami Council say Joabinra Bank for ba betena se ye ne ombedi nkomo na ye hu dia koso so won akache anope elho. WhatsApp no better me the WhatsApp aba anope 0509438500 0509438500 ye benya abotre na ya kenkan e de amount Joabinra Bank for Babekan say no achi abidwa for enso babetenase we also say it is very important for us to know that this current couple of government is doing extremely well. There's no way the NACA team can destroy our name. We are ready to serve the good people of Ghana. Of course, this happened some years ago. So why did they call for the head of the head of the chairperson? Why are they doing so now? Okay, when so every Same or say hot na eba Samuel saying, and this one is saying, sir, good morning team. I'm watching you guys live from Tepa. Keep the fire burning, okay? And also, ho ti o message no oko Facebook na Sompa 93.1 na afei o like it na wa share WhatsApp ne so or the bar 0509438500 0509438500 and also bekan sa the beje na ya kenkan de amount and so ho na also who said it. But there are things that and they also ya twen adwin so na ya se betube ram na ya ne team baumia enso edi komo. I am told say anopay rounds so no be rounds every remwa akukọ some of these areas da ye hwe say benyo mu a da ye ne omu edi komo Kwame baumia is in town.
Yes. Dr. Alhaji Mahmoud Baumia town Kwame ode the message and so Eddie Bema delegate say eno opese delegate for etie no mu gina so na omode to aba Eddie emano. And I love the fact say okobe bia kasatwie enni nanum ene ne nkomom. I love that fact. Kwa no present wasem no waka say the city and now no be na meti say October could be the money mine now or say nanko pese or say nanko no ne was here ye man finance minister yam farmer no e dey meti so October ko the money no but ni nyina ye politics e wo he hodom ti no I wish him well but the truth of the matter is that Kwame Abia na wonim me making it clear me a team connected. Yes. I win him.
I mean him that.
Sir, that day na. Oh yes. Me a team connected. Oh yes. Ne.
Ne team ba sa manye.
Yes. Saying this if also the bar. The me who said the message in Sutoma Coma. Never declare their man.
Oh, okay.
10 DC for no so much as 80 you won't come more almost 7 and say for you. Obeni was some guy.
Open you in the
Obenika.
My better say good morning. Abena good morning and way free Filippo Kwabre. Filippo Kwabre Kasem say Nana Dr. Baumia is the chosen one, no doubt. Greetings to my daughter Frimpong Manson Echa Felix and my mother Auntie Mary of Jeninso Wefri Filippo and Kwabena Enki dear or not yet no one fans norma or sad indeed about Kwabrenki. You are watching us live. Thank you. Also, Ewo Hodum, thank you. Kwabena is watching us.
Obeni.
Yes.
What? But what video be a team leaguer 2 money?
Everybody have me as 80 normal.
What video?
Oh, you might have me as normal. But team leaguer for Makacham say, me nim team leaguer and minim team illegal. Me the say. Oba ba kwa yeso okohia timi maami be nyame nkwanka ne be kam okose opie watopunu se wan lock punu akora ni pie wo hwe ne maami or the speed ekwamu nyame nkwa
kakabon
nyame nkwa kakabon and America now continue saying say I don't have problem with maami problem say wa
true support
so be true but you be ja oba ho na wakwakodi I'm telling you this.
Yeah, sure.
And I'll keep on saying. So be job wakwakwesa. Why will you leave Accra Ketua ho say wakwakwhwe obi? I don't mean.
Kwame na onim say team.
Na say obi a team league, obi a team league or any dey Masembe.
Kwame na onim say team league for no. Omo ye omo ho CID. Omo ye omo investigators, omo ye lawyers. Omo ye na yese onya ka o masem kitu e bi penya ka sempe ye be kwa kodigia na ye di se media ba betuja asem o
kwa me ha me oh me china say no crocodile echi no as I say eyi echi abo influence achichi de mechi din enkame kure jankame omo ha kura
Kwame, Dr. Philemon or Hemi Andochi, clinical coordinator Chira Government Hospital, also monitor also hey
Dr.
Mafio na ya mawachi and a sister Fati and this senior by Fati one so hey pa gidi I was sunyane
mame chia municipal hospital for nyina
yes
in fact December me ya record da ho na ohwe mu keka any senior musi ya na George nurse George otahwe ye papa mame chia no or hard working na me say good man ora good man say the me senior odi nkobo no ora good man bomodia na ekowuram ora good man na George ohia say moboado the Ghana Health Service for he's a hard working man, very hard working na menchia Kakari Mrs. Kakari also very hard working in hospital honum yancho in fact me recorda ho they did marvelous work Esther Munyina they did a very genuine work though administrator no ho no omunya adwuma pa because we worker hospital workers no ekuom ho ya administrators no and proper time me discuss you but job in the almighty bank for atanasia no pay mo bo adwuma gidi ya ko le asaba na edwon boko de
na boko
na branch so boko
oh egusua
say mo new baby ne wo ni wana mo bie nansi ano atonsu
anniversary branch
and the jam dey to so dem dey
empanifo akoma eda so pa na isa so bodwuma
good na no na yase mo bani nam krom no atonsu fu adi nkomo e ko zen
nana sa exercise na ye no atonsu no nana program na say o sati be 9 o'clock edu 6:30 ini pa do ma gina ye branch ho a mo hwe so me bi account no nana wow agency
good
Jobi Robang they see there a center no say aji baby
ajuma Jobi for boy now 40 years and over
line e kwaro say em running a friend saying kokrafo no bibre na so here dey join line no hwe ma me no ma to say
mo ye ajuma
I say this year there ya die customers no any shareholders no as papa the we are most we bank na mo bank no e ko nanim ne there da obibiara da
the phone so film papa
sa na
mo interest no form
na ya kan we di sika beto ayentew baby wo ma ko na afene beso a usika ni nyina wo say tete amana yede be anasa ba dwabe ro bank there na
they say there me boa me ho pa ye shares no
that's right
shares no there wo say minya bi
sa
because unya shares na wo so ye bango now
ene kra me ba no we want me fa forms no
good aha shares in there unya me pa
ene no so ye kasa no so no enye yin ye feli anye ade tintin bia udin telephone number ebusa no ma ba ko mienu wasan ya wi na December beba na beba EGM na ye debe esre
EGM so dem kwa me now we go EGM vas abo aho dem go EGM
o sa branch no to nche wo so interested nto no so wie ye na ye be enroll no na ye na ayadwuma
aropa wana onya privilege ntie Dwabira bank da no eden na ka che mu eden package ane wo free aso ye
na ye be dasi de bia me ka se ye be trans na se ye kasa Sompa FM play massive role in Dwabira banks FM say marketing wise because ye be trans ye kan enipa ebotwi ba Dwabira bank bi account no nana se dozi kan ags
na sa de moto ade pa
answer na meto aso mebo me mu ase da ma yan customers ni share with us na because bank na esi wo no se nipa amemu a sabi bank no enye bank enti samre ye chia Ghana fu nyina santema obi bia a ono Dwabira bank ye debe adwuma na impo omo so omo ni account o mbese omo ye debe omo ni adwuma nana green initiative program no equals with Dwabira bank you see your health is worth customers na no mo ye adwuma wa has adwuma Dwabira bank no say ya momo efene say mo health na an concern ye be ha dwene nti mpanimfo aye board chairman na apigidanka woso na ye siwu Mr. Augustine Aredamwa na mpanimfo Dwabira bank na omo de sa green initiative by aye dwanua 40,000 trees and I try a free Dwabe. I go idea de eba. Ya hwe ne se e bedroom lebe na Asante region Ghana ha nyina Dwabira bank as part of this initiative no adua 40,000 trees I boa my head no so de be akosoro because nipa no ba bank na se bia pomde nani ho no ma ontimi nya de be ontimi ma je start ye no so no nipa bebe na adom ho de be agim enso ho a last year awards ye je na ye 3 consecutive awards enti say no as a tiefo no ene adwadifo nyina no akamia ye se omu nyina de omusika na ye de be ba recently ya no ba ko edi kan ekoje ye de Malaysia so na ka say Dwabero Bank say nye local nko the global communities nyina no omno ye de be mono ye friends ya awards no ekoso tie si wo no ye bo chem ko Malaysia na ohwe program na ekoso a say na ni party true na investors na wo ho na Dwabero Bank ye bo edin say na best in product development na abofo no mo Malaysia no mo nyina standing ovation o mo bo Dwabero Bank abaso enti a chese samre no so ni account o Dwabero Bank na be serew wo de the bia na tabak can say distance is not a barrier bia wo Ghana he bia e de e phone call e wi am the numbers ni betudwa ofra ye beba waso ye ho abebia account no e de ama na asempa lo no de ye betena Sompa na se yanka ho asema enye yi asempa lo no ba ye no abeboa adwadifo yi pa titiriu inyama no mo kejetia Dubai agweso Patase Santase market centers ni bi bebre na no asempa lo no ma ye de be omotuma ba bagigibi na botaye cheche ni se adwadifo bebre na ho no ma na eno mbo mo homode na obagi lo banki na document be ka se onko famra no eche nkuri ena mpanifo tenase se asempa lo no ye de be ba ye de ba ye no so no ama omo a omukoyi no ma of temahabo eni ada we siri nyina no obenanya faso ye de be e wo so ma bi kwa no ka se se o bank papa bi se Dwabero Bank na ye chini a ye de be ye nyae ti asempa lo no de samre ka se bia ono ma ba o port ba bia o de bo modi an se boru aye branches ho odu ho as manager asempa lo no maba eye terms and conditions ka krebi fa webra na de aba na ya hweta ye de amount but before that no so no na o se unya account so e ho before ansa na de asempa lo no de amount na ya branch Dwabero Bank so be account ho no ma enya de ya tintin bia o Ghana card passport pictures mi no na isi ifie digital address na aba no na ya ba waso ya be de be abia amount na first deposit no ye go so eno so ye enroll first deposit ye 3 months ho ye 6 months ho and ye 1 year ho na empenifo tenase ana mo hwe ene se sisi bebre na ho no mo de musica no mfa nkoto bank sanse o de beto ho no ma interest ni kwa wo se ana de be iswa enti ye management etenase together with your board chairman mo hwe ene se first deposit rate no ya come out with very very attractive rate I know asi mama ba ko tam 2 million Ghana cedis na e de ba Dwabero Bank be invest na ya ka interest na chair no mama so original na fe na ohu de onye de be onye enti ya ka kire tiefo nyina ne se wo ska de ba bia say ye 10,000 Ghana cedis say ye 100,000 200,000 o de bra ye be mo account route aye de be ope Dwabero Bank we believe in mutual consent we account de na bank na so aye de be aka de na nyina arrive at a consensus in some raise sky they shut them on there nana atwam ti investors no so no make say you say me phone me hwe so adum say bebre na aye de be send message ne ba enti fixed deposit ne go so a enroll 3 months 6 months 1 year any amount to be a say can no be the 2 million Ghana cedis buy first man no na on say Dwabero Bank no so no say ezika no so no on say your bank no e buy 41 years ni ya nti asembo na bia mfa bank ne ho enti e kyese udu sika beto Dwabero Bank ana untu sika nya de be entwene enti atiefo nyina mamode na de be emra na madu de ne so shares and you make ho asema na last year AGM no shareholders na ese akamia ise se nipa 100 ne pia se de nko
ti asem de
fe na media for interview ba ko mienu bi na shareholders ne ka se omo ay investment but Dwabero Bank investment there adutwam shares usu na yakan 50 pesos enti with my 12 100 Ghana cedis edebe eko 200 10,000 ebi kwa at 50,000 edebe 100,000 ebe to shares ibi na within 2-3 years no na usika na de be shim no edebe unsa edebe aka shares no so no be say o you register also so a eno ana se bia wo bia the numbers no to dwa wo de free e be ba na ya be decide man na dia dem na this year kwa dia na ha dividend no on say wo be wo de this year e be ko soro papa dia we say shareholders ni na de o mo be de be e be jim and our savings account no so no susu account no so egu so on say ma me no 10 cedis on de no anu so susu officer na kwa 20 50 na ko eno na me ka say Dwabero bank no susu ni savings no yentete because bank ye kan me de music abeto bank na wa on for bi nka me ho wa so aso ye de be ekotete me nti ye ka ye savings ni susu na ama adwanifo de obia say ba no de sky de be ebeto ana susu no so no ba bia wo Ghana ha bia obetima ye de be afre your digital platforms so ye de be e ho a wo sign up ba bia wo bia obetima send sky de be akọ ana ese no Dwabero bank ne yakoye nim okay ye department bia ba fa corporate affairs no ye hwe ne se ebiwa institutions companies hotels empanifo bi wo mo so da banka na ye mode enti yenua ba Catherine Amachi na that friend say office na no na eko say prestige banking so bi wo ma wo no office na e discard de be akọ no aye no withdraw kama na so only time o de ba enti start prestige banking ni last time I buy na e de tudwa no you say see no corporate bodies no we be na e de be e work in hotels and big institutions no in some way yaka say you say e de mre na e adwuma bia wo office untimi ma o de bomodian say be frɛ Dwabero bank e bi so no cash collection services no on say e bi ho no odwum na o so de ni sika aba no and so ye ne den and so ye wo sales officers ne bi wo e tri no mu yi para na Dwabero bank the staff no they are well trained e nyamesro into oba no ba use kana na ohwe phone so na wo say alert na edebe na ba because bi ho no wo jai no ma ho de akoi akola na o tene so no oyine ni we de ya nga say assign officer ye na ba aba into wo use kana na obon won system no so na edebe na appear ya in services no so no susu ni savings ni na zero charge so me di kanka Dwabero bank dey akwa say no money nyina akwa free say bia charity institution no but you dwe customers no because you say you know customer ni ho bank ni nyedebe eniho in the summary catch obia oni account of Dwabero bank nyana say o de bomodian na say obeba na your branches no so no Dwaben your chief palace okay agiso your taxi rank from your taxi station onwe your Roman Catholic Aboaso your Asante line sepe your Gaku house Roman Hill your Atonsu station at the Shemai Kedeti ya Dubai gate number 3 opposite na ho na ho new road get more time board than ho your ho yeah bonus so your taxi station pankono dey say nana wo your chire ya market wo na say get for no be na 80 yeah the newborn baby atonsu nana me den chaka say be ma branch manager and then the staff ni nyina in fact adwuma mo bono friends atonsu branch no yankopon enyerebe inshram atonsu wo high school junction ha ho na wo nana numbers ni the two jana chief what my debe afre 0243 18 20 24 0243 18 20 24 nana market storm no e say koso memenda we ya
oh okay
we dey this time no e kono mayanka and stretch no so enti e ka kire atiefo nyina say amamu atonsu no say wo dey Ghana card nyina yenzi ebutu no na Saturday isi obibia enti nana me so ya ko dey open bank na e Ghana ha dia na e din ba kope
of course
Dwaben rural
bank PLC alapa ya dama say Dwaben for mo any adwuma na anniversary bank for di na mo so ya chiamo atonsu for no ya chiamo nyame bo ama yanka ada market storm no ekoso de ohia no Ghana card o de ama Ghana card in ready ya ba ni ntwa onto so da bibia enkoye emam acha bedwafo betena se alapa na ya di komo enso afri ho shadow say o message no call so 0509 438 500 0509 438 500 alapa o de fawa ya beje na ya kenkan enso ade amount na anopai Frank Otuo Echampon lecturer our Spiritan University College also Ashanti region communication team our National Democratic Congress NDC sounds na General Buhari also Ashanti region team no communication team for the new patriotic party also our Frank Adope marching
me just bromania
na umpom te saying
what the nadum so the die no me fa konya su na me nchia se atitini ani ntin bia ajo madama afutu so nkranhwe so ne yetumi betre fidikasi bi so sei na yenso ye che ya adwefa Ghana nchechire ne nkankro ne ani kan ma me nsire nhyira ne nkwatenten fama de otikro wekra ne bra ngoma so yan santira yana na wose tutu autoso me no ajo na dama na santiman ya da ba bi ne ati ba bi ma me nchia His Excellency the President of the Republic Owura John Dramani Mahama akra me gidi se wa ho fama wotima na okukoduru a wodidi Ghana ni mu no me gidi se ye bekọ akiri na ye tumpon onuai empanifo ka bibi se ye kope abeno de na okura soso na ye kofa abena banso no so aketechua no sa abene be yensa ye nyini mfirim
da bi da
ena empanifo nso se de oyi wo no onfa ne nsam pepa ntomagum ne mo kawe aye bi danso wo ho a ye mfa nyame be kire enkwa hayo
good
me ka kosi sei Eyamia Miura Nana Kwesi Augustine, the Ashanti regional chairman of the NDC party. Unia, yehwe papa ni modern mo na ho fama ne kukuduro a odidi party na ni mo Asante mantemase ya. Bigidi se ebreso na se mpanimfo reorganization ni duro so na yesi epe obi ma na die party na ni mo Asante mantemase ya. Yeyi ni free mo enye yi.
Okay.
So ati ase. Se dem sika ye no, se aye bi da wo ho a yemfa nyame bekire enkwa hayo enti masem tiawa ebere ni duru a yenhwe na yemane ntoaso free say eye na apenso ena NDC amanyuku no Ashanti region yetumi increase your seats o Ashanti region ha me nka nkwa kire tiawa etia na wie me de menia
Buhari maache
yes o me penny
general na what to say
me hu ye pampa cha na onso e
nyame adom say benyo
Nkwantabisa drewi
ben ade na say mada
drewi
drupa
drewi na na me dane say ene yewura Dr. Alhaji Mahmoud Bawumia abedru Asante Memu a o hye na bropo no the campaign in Ashanti region ene I'm very glad say your party for no so far so good na e binim senka abato ye bekoyi twitwa ho nse kan na ke boy ho atuo akoba ne sa emom ensem ne machire de but I'm sure so at the end of the day yakoye ye fun ba ko mai de at the end of the day ye be kansem but I'm very glad say even wo mo a omudi afafo for achi no omankasa ajetum say enye Bawumia na melu 2024 elections amnra yang say nwa ba MP for Atiwa East honorable Abenal say Asare Kotena UTV I say no, you can't blame Dr. Bawumia for our 2024 losses. You Rasteka MP for insurance, I can the same thing on Asempa TV. Clearly, it means that we cannot hold Bawumia accountable for the 2024 elections. And it's happening for your moody campaign for friend him. Ebe catch say and say, and your Bawumia may lose with the that is a safe for the papa is hard in Necobium. The minim say you repeat papa in 2028. You better restore power from the NDC government. I'm an MP person by last week, Mika Assembly Hanum. Dr. Bawumia long-term policies and in Ghana for and ye this one first way. And I made mention of that of inflation. I am a predictor as of April 2024. And then Dr. Bawumia long-term policy, which the domestic gold purchase program. Dr. Bawumia enya adwene se e wose ye back ye reserve with some gold. Nyame adom yetumi ye ya na NDC ba ye ya. And almost atwaso. They be me kase. Governance is a continuous process. Mechia na se mechia se mechia enche no na me di wura mu no enche na mechia se papa ne ba santimam ye wa santimam die ye fa nchia so koma ne ye fa nchema watie fo nyina ene MPP fo no pay omuti ene mikrum offense South constituency fo
wa sha se free economic indicators now the inflation abam there oman it is believed say expansion is shall say 3.8 in October 2025 near whom say oman enyini say 3.8 ye who true reflections no yen current situation
All right. So me no pedi me that say. My Mr. Fan just from come over to you. So and then the say discuss pure economic issues. Yes, say aban we I expanded a economy by 3.8. 3.8. We applaud them. Na the bia me ka sembi. Me say yemfa ne say oyo ba ana wo ye bema. Na oni ukunote. Na okuno no de bia obo eye akohoma. Every day, let's say 5 Ghana cedis. Na bema foforo aba. O se bema na omo 5 Ghana cedis no, ne sika ni so adodo. Jano na bra me fawo na me warewa. Me hwew asene se ne ukuno da na o si hwe wo. Wo na wo ba foforo na wo be ka asem de kire oba no. Oba no edampi ni ukuno ma no akohoma 5 cedis no. Obe fa no afede akohoma no o ma no 3 Ghana cedis. Sa oba no wako nanim anase wo banachi. Before say me konkomo no so no. Sa scenario me ma we Ghana ye economy scenario na me de ma no. Ye economy no ayese sebe oba ope bema papa obehwe no. Na wonya bema ohwe no. Na bema foforo gina akiri tojom jano me ba mehwe uyi jano me ba mehwe uyi. Na bema na bana afede akohomisika nipa wate so. Penny. In 2024, under the MPP government, Nana Ado Akufo and Dr. Bawumia government, you expanded economy by 5.7%. You expanded economy by 5.7% in 2024. And in that Ghana for mede oba asi wo manemu no. Na ye yama economy no I expanded by 5.7%. And NDC for say MPP phone to me nye adwuma ni yenti yempam wo mo ne yemfa wo mo na wo ba ye adwuma no ye na ma Ghana fo. Kwatabiza say wotemi komo ni pa. Enti moba de da Ghana fo na mede oba asi wo manemu no. At a time when MPP woman na mo say MPP ya ban born into yempam wo mo no. Na economy no grow by 5.7% in 2024. Oh by also all reset it. And you reset no. We thought said the reset is going to be an upgrade. And if MPP was making 5.7% in 2024, we expect the NDC for be by 6 or 7%. And then they are doing 3.8%. So are we upgrading or we are downgrading? Are we upgrading or we are downgrading? Now, over economy no Africa I be brem ha. Adia eso ye economy asepa the agri sector. In 2024, now under the MPP government, the agri sector no, it was growing by 4.6%. 4.6% in 2024 under the MPP government. Now, yes, the economy was growing. Sorry, the agri sector was growing by a year 4.6%. And NDC aba. NDC aba na or say a year MPP for ya bon. Enunti yemfa yensin China wo momra no. NDC aba. Na NDC buy no. The agri sector now under MPP near 4.6% no. They are doing less than even 1%. They are doing 0. They are doing 0. something percent, which is not even up to 1%. But under MPP, we were doing 4.6%. It's in Kwamentabisa and pay NDC for saying anything. For retrogressing our process, for retrogressing our economy. Almost a year to jump from Free Oko in details. Bra MPP about recorded 4.6% in 2024. And in the four outlining some policies yet to us one you bet me sustain the agri growth. And this was under MPP government. Now some of the policies I'm paying for boss say ye to me Emma net na hoda ye betimi a sustain na ya agri sector agoso agro no ebini or say one say ye to me my plant for food and jobs at na ho a we be able to sustain the agri sector growth. 2, SME growth. This is in relation to small businesses. Ankrankre a mo bi mojuma ye so masene na motumi afa afoforo. 3, 1 district, 1 factory. All these ye bobo say ye niema say ye timi ehye mo kena ebema Ghana agri sector akoso ejina. Me make mention of SME inti ma menche asemu mu. Enra the NDC Minister of Youth Development, Mr. Honorable Opare Ado, onu na saye NDC for National Youth Organizer. We de enye me na makanye pipi no wakase me propaganda. Sika e wo say ye de man no ni ministry no odi ye adwuma. Because over under youth sanic over the ministry hono mo a almost so ankrankre ene sebe o small business bia almost so wasene no what to me afoforo adwuma, and this was even being done under the NEP, under Ofosun Council, under MPP. Yes, animo we and ne papa no koya sika e wo se ohia for 2025 2026 the budget allocate mano na otumi de ye adwuma no aban no akoma no just 150 million Ghana cedis. It's in Nora, and this is national organizer. Ensu se sika open po na ono minister what the mama bunu anya adwuma ye wo Ghana no mahama aban enyi sika na fama no. And he made mention of 2025. Was it in 2025? In 2025, they wanted to train around 100,000 of people. In 2025, number some support to businesses, small businesses, with around 100,000 young people. I don't know that they weren't able to even train up to even just 50,000. They were doing around 14,000. And in 2026, EBM, or more target, a better confirm because or say in 2026 they are likely to support only 6,000 people. Only 6,000, which is not even up to 5% of their target. What it means, Abina is not releasing fund for a non-acting government to function effectively. So you've seen how the crocodile, the John, and Nada, Dibia Mekasa Moses said, what do I not done? It being wow, and it is 2 million amount. But have you seen how they are fumbling? And then one ministers, came, and the minister Kotana a officer. Because there's no money allocated to the office. And now Erica J office. NEP CEO. And this Ankasa CEO, NEP Erica J. The officer, they don't have anything to do. People have been on the tables because
are you sure so they don't have anything to do? Because recently they have been doing a lot of work from us.
And the Marida Cho say their target, which is 100,000 people, they are now doing just a part of 6,000 people. Now say if your objective is to train 100,000 people, now you are able to train only 6,000 because of there's no funder. In your opinion, are you doing even up to 5% of your target?
But if there's no funder, of course, what you're generating, the revenue you're generating, I don't want to be back home because if you have decided, say you are not going for loan, other third hand, now revenue be generating a crack and be home, bra. Of course, you cannot train those that you anticipate.
NEP does not generate fund.
No, but Ghana government assembly.
Good, and the government
source of funding free.
And the government is not resourcing them. So the government is generating all this fund, but the government is not even releasing the fund to these CEOs and the ministers to be able to work effectively. That's what I'm saying. Oh, I've just read it here. Mwankas operated complaining said they are unable to train the 100,000 people because the money they expected from the government, they are giving a patch of 150 million Ghana cedis. And I remember this issue was even raised
100,000 almost within a year, and I say a spread of 4
a year. So they have targets. I remember the MP for Tafo, Honorable Vincent, even raised this on the floor of Parliament.
And this is we are in the first quarter. And what if someone decides on Ben Kotlia?
So I am not Opariado. I am not a minister.
Okay.
I am not the national youth organizer of the NDC. Nye Kikemuno is the national youth organizer of the NDC.
All right.
So I'm only speaking to the frustration and NDC and ministers and Omukem. Send Omukem or demo. But you're in film to mother babonting because customer for today catch a John Mahamase. Ya two about because we believe say obey me the managing ye. Ye best no. Ni ministers, ni CEOs, one more will must can to me.
Medasi. General Medasi. Now, Mr. Frank. So 3.8 in October.
Of course, we have to engage in what is called pragmatism. If I say this, I mean we have to be practical when it comes to these issues. Governance, so we book and translate into the practical aspect or the practical good of the people. So when you for the first time in about 3 decades or so, exports have exceeded imports. I hope you are aware. And your man, you call a bruchiri cotton bano. Abroad, you free a bruchiri bano. So, of course, it's a news item, you can read it. So, what I say, and that tells you, sir, always, the Nomana you can one crater muna way so percentage statistically, where you say, where yes, I know. At the end of the day, if it is not able to affect positively the livelihood of the people now, and carry statistics in carry. And now, Meno say, it is on record. Say, I can't in book with them say we the INE at 3.8%. It falls short of the seed, like friend say last year or last 2 years. But what are we saying? And now, Meno say a bro boy. Gone with the days in about 2-3 years ago. Na bro boy is saying, now into me a bro was around 1,200 a bag, and I'm not saying who got 450 Ghana cedis. I will be a bro tobacco. Of course, that tells you say the agric sector is doing well, and as a result of the implementation of akokon ketenkete and kusuabu in abundance, out of okra. Oh yes, so if you doubt it, you can search it. You can contact the various poultry farmers. Kusua abu yenyato for.
I think Greater Accra baby krana.
Aban bamu akotobu buffer stock. Sa abros yenyato for. Ene banche abusua ma na me no kasa nti o oda roma ensere minia. Banche abusua ma na yenyato for nti no omo se aban kra ma yedai emetu banche no se bi no fanko buffer stock onye ne gari no from the various institutions na se bi omo use gari no. That tells you say aban we buy no he is so committed. Thought I say the be a great sector in Yane ebebusu because minia dada ewiase mu wote na so se be onya bibidi na onya baby di utitwa se be ewiase na brabo na nsan asa enti aban na fato no ho so se baby kwan bia so do obema the agric sector na agro na groma aso timamufo so enya abre na na yeton ye friend say body e wo ministries ni bia wo ye nya agric minister bia ono akonkura se koto body e ko ministries no woton body ye nya ne sa. Now we have a competent agric minister. What I say, filled with a lot of policies, good policies that affects the well-being of the people. And then we're investing into agriculture, and so much so that the process infrastructure or mining, and the money is say no man grab and talk, and no man not does for bucket or for. And this is where I would also want to suggest to the agric minister, say, partner with our neighboring countries. So they say. Of course, you name say Burkina, Cote d'Ivoire, Togo, ye knew any idea no almost dibi. And until yenye that arrangement, said the bay a bro swa. Near to me, I export to Kohoni and your foreign exchange. A bus answer a boost to farmers, what they say capacity, no much to me grow more, said the bay do any day, it will boost or my way. These are the things I agree minister and all year. So I say, and me feel say a here pass body or Mampani here pass body. Or see what you see what your man will soon the next 4 years. He said, you are not quite party, a bit see that woman. And of course, he's demonstrating it. So what I say, now let's go to the service sector. Of course, you can imagine. Said, no, we can say the various telecommunications in Nano or more prices. Or much so. So almost services and so am improving no DSTV for instance you can cite them as one of the examples. Almost services no my day am improving no telecommunications you bomudin bebre yellow ni red for ni blue and white for no obujuma de ni koso okwa ban mu so enem na okase and open passport and that roda one day premium service uhia passport there o sabetumi aka what you say birth certificate o sabetumi aka Ghana card and no person with Ghana card. Or some Ghana card. And when your friends are buying out, so what I say, or didn't nip home. A buying or didn't nip that green idea or pass over some California and Cofum and Somono. Who call the manufacturing sector now? The same thing. Call the construction sector now, the same thing. People are building estates. Why? Because and iron rods for the first time, iron rods are form. And then the cost of cement, a conform. Nti obi bia o kakra bi de ba bi kra no otibi kofa no de ye service construction say de be yo no so nsa be kona no obenya sika twetwere de e de abone bra enti minia odi no kra de say Nkwantabisa ya na me di no do so say ko yi no bia de do so nti ya na etubi fa ni nyina nto yetrim enti de meka ne say oman ndc amanyuko no obo no homodin so ati ase enne ye nua no MPP for kra na no abante ba come here no social media no so de o say se ya no ro ma ha ma obe ya mamu ne dia ne MPP be che wo fi o na mum MPP ne ma ne ngu ba se si ya no be kono na so wan sesa ne man kwa dia because me ne and wo hwe petrol prices me ne wo isuka wo hwe petrol prices relatively akofom wo do compare the last 2 years what means petrol perform and ye nyina nso nim said the engine of growth and I say petrol boy idea ye di ye nyina so edi djuma wo ma Ghana mu bebre nti se ne boy no conform directly and indirectly it affects all businesses so what is and conform and the dollar ye nya se be cranium of
private cars and commercial drivers they enjoy passengers are not enjoying
so what I say I don't know you don't blame the government fully so what I say you don't blame the government fully because GPR2 for no do omun che abayase into omun so na determine the prices of these fares so they say into yen share ne kasa e no mo betrase no mo so atumi ade e ma price no aba form and wo share dollar yenya mo fo ko buchiri ko fa ne mo kra ne mo ba ya no so ko no ba no kasa won tire ne mo so na se be ya bro e na ye no because relatively o the sabre compare last 2 years na dollar no na 14-15 and then me no kasa interbank rate 10.6 retail rate no na obenya ni be 11 to 12 but interbank rate dey there your friend is saying 10.6 inti yanu ma yetu school fees abroche dollars ye go school yetu school fees ni there e boa yan because me transfer school fees dey akoma me school is in dollars and interbank rate na me dey me use inti na e boa yan and it affects everybody directly or indirectly anti me nyina no yen hunu say aban ba na oba ye no sabi wa metomfu to nkrofo ani and he is being real so we hear lectures series of lectures are across ministerial we are your minister bia kwan ma de ekos wona so ye bia wo de beto dwa me gidi say government is accountable so what I say and or that no ma ekos wona so ye bia no opese obi ayi de ehunu mu bi for example owura attorney general we hwe ne nyuma dia afi brano ba bontin de beto dwa dom nanim say duma dia mo de chairman sa no hwehwemu ameye no dia kosi ne dia ko wi ne de me sha se ni a it tells you that the government is up and doing and upon homodin bia so be ma atimamufo na ayi de ehunu de omo ye yan spekuntu ase kataso mu aso amamu bia ye buman na magana ni bia fili wa hu se de ekoso ni for the first time yan command aban we so the 58 ministers abuman we in the last year or the 58 ministers in abuman we it tells you say aban no are very committed or see the piece of day obechichire man no amama na ikra behwe me de me empire me boni say oman no Owura John Dramani Mahama His Excellency onya ni say ya
all right
mo change speed no so be say kra no nko nanim kakra ba mo na chi mo hwe na chi the union no keka ne de mo hwe akomo ne tempo na mu onye de onye focused nya say the Ghana for hu dadwe ne da no so no omo ne na no so saa na nsu enko yanim me gidi say all you know no say yakase me reti aban we ya in the last year mint me money less than 7 da out of 10 on a scale of 1 to 10 no me money less than 7 that be the 7 be man no aka 3 do 3 no me gidi say ogusu a youth unemployment galamsey fight and for the first time doom so is a thing of the past ye share doom so bi meko kwa killing the beat no so ati enti Nkwantabisa anopa medima no besi na mahye Ghana fo nyina se madama mummu nyina munya koma pa kokoduro na infanta papa na chino owone mapa magana
ya be ko electoral commission dey but minim so bia mi se na wo sese wo bia be so
ori ka dey na wo ka
minu epenyin zen ngoko nketenkete no ama kosua bo abafo
of course
na
nkokwa
na dabi meba nkokwa na meba nkokwa na ye regional minister yiru amu akohene se afei na mo no obeche wo mo Ashanti region ha because he kept them because for 1 month because of to check mortality rate nyeme make am this according to honorable amu akohene na akoko 1 month mi tukosua oh no akoko 1 month akoko 1 month 8 mi tukosua na at the NDC for no are they using magical nkoko ketekete na
banka akoko ketekete men shepa
na you made mention of nkoko ketekete enuntra na kosua boaye for na nkoko ketekete it was a slip
oh me tell you say
mi ne pay jetum say na no na paaye wa jetum say na no paaye dia magietum
o say shepa
Osono Amel say Nkokwa Nkete has just been launched. There hasn't been any distribution. So what is the NDC gentleman saying?
You know, yeah, it's serious because
it was a slip of tongue, and he said,
no, I respect him for that. So, well, I respect him for that. Well, because what you two said, I don't know pie now. I could man otum to kusu, and I think it's in order.
Please ask the NDC man why they are not paying cocoa farmers. Marco Poco from Achem Aka Dewaso. I don't know. So so I think Yanko Electoral Commission. Your yet is will be at the petition echo. Now with the said petition, after you drew baby, I say Beko Enko. Anra Utie Phyllis of Osukwache, our government spokesperson. A catcher say, oh, as I say, my forward from the OSP, I call the Chief Justice, so I'm making sure some bishop. Now, I'm out for say, as an agenda to fulfill a promise that NDC made during their campaign. Being so say, oh, no, say, if they have been petitioner, but who free internal personnel, but that means there are issues I wasn't paying for tenants in Omoka. Buhari, Electoral Commission and deputies.
Kwame Nkwantabisa Ghana ni bia uti bia nim say it has been the NDC agenda just to ask the Electoral Commissioner no out of office. It is known, even in opposition. Now Omoka same way about EC no. They say same thing about the CJ, and the CJ say you know, maybe or join I do EC so. Nkwantabisa mekano wafidi so. EC opompo any for no.
Oh,
petition no. I've taken my time. My ready reasons. A big point man stated reason. But it is an agenda from the corridors of power. And the acquire it is already even determined. But movement follow the due process under the Article 146. By the end of the day, my meno it be nefro. Now let me take one. One Joseph Adumazi Blankson were one of the petitioners. Almost yenyi Electoral Commission maminu free ho. Adumazi case nyan said there was a misconduct of the Electoral Commissioner. Ye bisanu say what kind of misconduct? Adumazi kura na ono petition ye mpam mameno. Odum puntimi emanchire muye. I remember a month or two ago. This guy was interviewed on one of the Musta stations in Accra. Now, Utie interview now, he was fumbling. Now, in some na all campo, na onimni all. Fast forward. When Mr. Blankson here was he empam in free. This Mr. Blankson now or easy staff. Now easy staff.
Yeah.
Now he was interdicted. Ya pamon se onko jinan chen. Yisi penyin epamono se abrantie kojinan chen na Ghana for mo membu say e den na oye na yisi pamono se onko jinan chen. This Blankson was accused So owia easy for laptops and some machines be
DVD machines.
Some DVD machines. Enti enipa wono wo bokro no wo bo electoral commission krono na easy say onko gina nchen a odi yaw abufuo abenedie atro kata se yempam easy mfro simply because okobo krono no ya chena so hwe omana ya build low obi akokrono na yese onyina nchen no enipa no the bitterness petition say enipa kura ohwema interdicting no the person should be sacked on the basis that the person was involved in some misconduct. Yeah, besides, what kind of misconduct are me entry? So ene ye build it on my day, but ya makwain ama sabim peduasa en krofwa anka omune even moral right to even talk because sabim peduasa okobok kroni e chewa anka what ye discuss moral issues aka men kabi ye discuss national issues a jinan chain because we want 7 periods stains in kekagwa watari nimu and 7 periods enipa 7 minutes mina so enipa ke beka se we kronfo no ene wo no see yempam yisi me that to you made mention see you hwem Mr. Blanson enipa what petition say yempam easy commissioner no
it was alleged.
That's what I'm saying.
So
that's why I say enipa ya accuse you say wakobo sa akro no I can the only moral right impossible can be. Now let me move on. This petition is drafted from the corridors of power. One of the petitioners Elekem Kotoko Semiba said government appointees petitions yempam obia government appointee there. You are in the corridors of power. It's Mika corridors of power. As a CEO, he is part of the power. Mika Wasem. Elekem Kotoko. One of the deputy CEO of Forestry Commission. Elekem Kotoko also a petition say yempam is no. Now on some issues in the saying was stating about security. Now I'm reading the petition. Was say there were very grave security breaches recorded at all elections-related activities organized by the Miss Jane Adukwe Mensah, such as the new voters registration exercise, voters exhibition exercise, by-election, the 2020 election, especially at the coalition centers where deaths were recorded. Kwantebisa mi bisawo. Mr. Was it only under Jane Mensah ye to aba enipa wu Ghana hana? So on what basis? And now what's the any my mean for because you got to abano or be a quiet man masam baby ma 7 peduasa. What told an among Siedo? What say any partner or quiet sama sabio a police for bonnet you know. Young first bomb electoral commission. And quite asking with the sabio. Yajitum saying a ye. Yajitum saying and a ye. Na electoral commission always suit you. Nkwantabisa easy for almost suit you. Say yeah to aba all the institutions they have their functions. Even electoral commission or here security protection. And all security employed or deployed, they are there to protect lives and properties, including the life of the EC officials. It is 7 predators. How then do we say that yempam easy electoral commission yempam ni free? A ban is saying now because easy yempam ni free. Brain to make us say, petition in some more can it holds no water, but Ghana for bear fund to NDC form CSA. Now, if you are appointed electoral commission of Ghana, your tenure of office is conterminous with that of the government in office. And what that means is that the very day a buying no electoral commission also be called. Yet and I know this agenda is cooked, as I said earlier, from the corridors of power, and that's why we have a CEO like Elekom Kotoko petitioning John Dramani Mahama, the president, to sack the electoral commission. So I am telling Ghanaians, observe it. You want to DCJ, Yeah, observe it. Yeah, show woman. Na ye nim. Say omo bomu tiri mo pose in the election 2028. Ebe NDC yisi ni na betena abato no so. I know.
No, but what if say there's no substance in the petitioner?
Already.
Aban no who to me say obe denying. This is not the first time you say be a petitioner, a certain president that say oh there be we there how a meritorious say ye betimi afa say ye prosecutor na ye take the person on.
Nkwantabisa ansem na me reading nyina no. Does it have any substance in it?
Oh, but tell me your petition.
No,
I'm told say
so I've read two. Including Obia or Abai Munipa.
But on the face of the case, they will see say wait because you had a procurement breaches a movie. Don't forget say procurement breaches are mere movie every office. You remember?
I know.
And Mami the traveling issues, CJ traveling issues. And the owner be say yeah.
So on say come on say twinchen come on about 1-1. I am telling you, Mami no. Even the petition all the 7 it doesn't hold water. There is no substance in it. But I'm telling you, say and I know, and I'm telling you this. Yes, of course. A mere petition, I've been here but a pa yedika born could come na fen ebeniso. It already omuadrim ponsa my mere pamno. It doesn't matter the kind of petition that will come. Mano, they will sack her. You made mention of the CJ. Yes, a traveler. Wakutu kwa yese nikunu neba akan hoko. But on my way, President John Dramani Mahama, me have private jet etu kwine. Na neba sharaf etimbi. Na neba sharaf no. Is he a government appointee?
Say yende so kan say ono onye a per diem. Where did you can be a per diem nyina ni pa.
Kwatabisa. Everybody who travel with the president on official duty, you get allowance.
Now who fact say president ba aje per diem.
Now me say.
W.
Now Jubilee House, we've been there before. Me say everybody who travel with the president on official duty or per diem. Everybody. It's neno. If NDC are buying say a palm CJ simply because you saw two coin and you couldn't become home. And then the president John also took one out. Ne Basharaf ekan. But yet the any problem. Yet the young petition say yam pamaham and free bemu. There be a petition. And I know as I said earlier, and ne NDC for now question feature tron kata CM Electoral Commission. Yate. It just a mere said okay no. What is a mere petition? To me nyabotre. Emayan kodi munsoko. But I'm telling you, makan of feed you so. You better share in some months' time, no. Na my no, or may in and it's going to confirm what I'm saying today. Say a poor money can born with it doesn't matter who defends the woman, no matter what, they are going to sack her. But I've made mention of this. Said they have legally and constitutionally made the tenure of electoral commission conterminous with that of any certain government. It's a way of buying our bar. Can we say about what do we see but easy we do a chiako because in 2028 elections minimum say NDC for making sure say omudi easy your munipa and eba but it doesn't matter even if John Dramani Mahama the president himself is made it easy 2028 MPP is taking the power to fix the Ghana
General Medase when nkoko kete no I am told say Eudru Asante Achimwa ahonkwa omoche over 10,000 enso ho and 10,000 enti Reverend Ebenezer Eko Edu OMC honorable yeso mo no de omache 10,000 obi enya kra me pedi nya be 30 ekoi yeah I think last month enti the case is not about nkoko no muche nkoko de omache the contention is not about nkoko yeah the contention has been settled. Enya about Kokoniche. About the ex.
No.
And
the contention
it was
a slip. It was a slip.
Or times I
No.
What the BC said no. It's
so
not true.
What's your beef?
It's not true.
Let me clarify this. Nkoko is from Ministry of Agriculture.
Ministry
The
video and everything.
According to the ministry.
You are eating into my time.
Relax. No. Because of your let me clarify.
There's no what.
According to Ministry of Agriculture, every constituency or district is going to get 10,000. Said what kind? It's true. But household is not individual. Each household is going to get 50. You can cross check it. And household and you papa cool. More multi-fuel say you do. Muna yema 50 say munyan. And to account for obia nya 30. It's not true. That's factually inaccurate. No, but you made mention say obia. Okay, obia. What does it mean?
No, every household munyina monko is per head. Head bia ne kwakwaje.
You know this you know. What this to 20? No. According to Agric Minister, everyone should get 50. So why you giving them?
Kwamenkwanta Bisa. Aggressive. Didn't somebody turn from him, go from him. Others here. Dear, my pastor make can you know, say, easy, you know. Whether or not, say, Obeko so uncle, no, easy, you know, say, be on your superficial, or any party, say, no, me, not here. Others here. And she's not, what do you call it, immune to fallibility. As in, on your beer or a prefect. What does here? You my dear to say, ye will crum her say, the people of Sa, Lipe, Santro Fee, and were denied representation in the House of Parliament. And for that alone, if you ask me, it was orchestrated by the then EC commissioner. What did I say? The EC, and a year was responsible. Senka Obama, the people of Sa, no. Any representation of parliament, she practically denied them representation. Wa ma yenya mrasibe dwamni e wo sa ho enu nkwanti no ye betuma yenyina so ama maame no dwumadi a wadi no ye de ato nchen anase ye mana kwotena nchen. And if you ask me, and now if you read out some petitions say omo no dwumadi ana omo nsema omo de akodan John Dramani Mahama no sabi insuo ni mu no. It's neither here nor there, and I think say you are not being fair with them. Petitions are what kind of what can also was about 120 pages. In 120 pages in now kind of no. I will read the also when you free mono. You see, young United Mawe Bebre Akwaso, proud to 2016 elections, you were very vociferous. Say, Papa Mamma, you know. Mami Charlotte say be you know ba the human being so into be you know. This was the same woman. No bobo abai de musa be better na konya so say aban amodi nkonim. Enso mo ba ye mo ye de mo betumi bia kwan bone ne papa so nyina mo fa so e ma mama ne kote na fia na me no ruka say be ne retirement package na de nyina no mo amfa ma no. Nti mpanifo ka bibi say do na buro ba kan no na de ye mo nwunu ba ye. So what I say do na buro ba kan no na de ye mo nwunu ba ye. Mo fa kwan bia so yi maame no ma no kote na fie dia ene yenso ba ye be hwehwe maame we dwumadie mu si yenso ye hunu sa dwumadie obedi ye no so bia anso ni ne ensem fata yenso be me na kote na fie eno na binum ahwa ase no wo say before nkofo Parliament House I think Owura Agbo's house bibisa or Dafia Makpo ana was it the majority speaker the petition already that issue they say the special prosecutor no Najumadi nso ni ntiemfa nya de yema nkoma president ba mu ba ka say no
I think Dafia
Makpo president ba mu ba ka say dey too early so we be yes ade na basa na ase ye ba na wish hunting e ba be ye ntu e bo ase eno grofo bi nso afa so ho say dey bi mampani papa no Najumadi nso ni ntino still no ye be petition na wo so we refer to the appropriate headquarters chief justice no ahwehwem say establish primary first year then of course Najumadi no we set up a committee 3-member committee no ma hwehwem omo hu say papa Najumadi nso ni then ye de no better nchan eno na asase no how does here Owura Foso Kwache say ya refer the petitions no the ama chief justice ono hwehwem obesati up a 3-member committee omo hwehwem no mu say either OSP or the EC no omo Najumadi ni nso ni a let's let the law take its course na ye hwe ndesi behu benya obi a ono so osefata no Najumadi so ni ode ba betena wa ye man kwan man me ye Najuma so because me maame no Najumadi bia odidi ye no me no nyina di hu adanse se Najumadi ni bi wo ha anso ani MPP for UP now UP for ni bi kra so kra di hu adanse se maame Najumadi de anso ani nti onko tena fi of course. As I said, no, everybody is fallible. Bia money will be out on the Najumadi na so any. Edu we be crowd na Najumadi a wodi crowd na be bree no favor MPP amanyokuo no. Meanwhile, you are supposed to be independent. Najumadi na say ubuntanchia udi ujuma say they send the fata. Nti say na ya timamufo bia omo so hunu say ba me Najuma no enso ani nti won kofia. Megidi say ne kwan so ano no. Ye mamra no. anything e wo mamra e bo man yi ho ban no ye mamra no nya na dwuma se mra no ye na dwuma na se bu bo no se bi odi mra no ho fo a mra ne fa ne fa mra kwan so yeah Ade Akye say ye hwe mra no so na se odi bi ma why not onto na dwuma di so until me dey I have no qualm as far as I'm concerned no ye test law no ne hwe but if you conclude say kwan bia so ne be yi ne ho now we should also note say the period of or the stay of the EC or either the Chief Justice is coterminous with that of the president and I say tenure of the president. I don't agree with you. What I say, I don't agree with you. Mumu da for so sorry mebo. So I say na mu bada ben say na mu say we na mu kan dia to from mu dia e na mu so baba me ahwe. So I say na mu kan dia e na mu so baba me ahwe. So I say so you don't have to say their period of stay and I say omo we dey coterminous with the friend say that of the president. No, president no dey hin. President no dey mu yi Charlotte say court na fie no. Mu yi Charlotte say court na fie. On what basis na mu dey Charlotte say court na fie? Ayo, na we dey mama na dey nya ono anfom so. Mama na dey nya ono anfom so. Chief Justice former Chief Justice
on deputy na on deputy
na petitioners who mu nyina petitioners who dey we call
forest dey say ono onye ise
I'm not disputing say but all the petitioners
no be otwanua forest otin wure mu twanua dey ono isi
you don't say this on air bro
all right but I say also I mean got 94 so me arapa yamfa call so adwenche on komo ayedi ho 0548931931 arope yemfa onso waginche enso ewo ha messages ba komienu bi akam na me bomodin azek me iwe ni nyina enso so every ho the amount this one says I disagree with the MPP man. Of course in opposition you have to say something to let your people know you are working. But the truth of the matter is, His Excellency is focused and will do what Ghanaians love. Okay, Odishia ba asabri. And so there, Odeba yeni. My of course, the member. Hello, good morning.
Good morning.
Open you didn't baby Afrifi.
But I'm doing it from Pong, because if you can go.
From Pong, you tell no pay.
Ayo, but that's pa obaduma pa me tia me monitor di obaduma kasa nyami shirawo
ami nyami shawo
na onse NDC ni ba fa yo ti ho kasa me hwe di asen sama o kan kura so onu kura usuru aso onyesio asemu sa so ni background pia o de kasa
oh there be background de kasa I dey do the background
you dey only the kofu we be panan kasankasa no mo ma dwen say sa mo target sa kofu we na gu ho no mo na mo busu ye sa djuma no na ya ma unfi na se frabra na ma gana fo ntoye o ba ya adwuma wo ho ne hwe nipa kro nya ka kwa kokuma se nkane ade nipa pa keso a ne nya ka mfa what it gold board ni wo de mo be bo ma gana nipa mo yin ha mo na to ani bi yi we ne be pa mo so se se amoto mo ni 4 years no. Only 4 years.
May I say hello, good morning.
Good morning.
Open you didn't baby akasa free.
For the coffee, make a set in Zama, good to Jomoro.
Good, coffee and you.
Meshamo Ghana no, a baby ya. Am I a phone there, or be other candidate, we begin to. No, sir, a bacoswa, if you more media no. And you don't say, we're at a commune of Koyan. Because I attention. Someone can. Am I ever been touched there? Who and this when you say Santos, Oceano. On me, I'm at the city. I can tell about them. And I'm with you before. If you can't, as a president, who knows that not such as I say. Send you to focus on the question. And this focus on number 18 media from Ghana.
What's your program here? Any panel catch or say slip of tongue, no, bro, from 20 years. The panel can't say a slip of tongue. What you're saying? A dear baby, no person. The old castle or 2 or casa, I did, you know. Nippon correction, no making what you are now wanting.
Thank you, what I said.
All right, may I say hello, good morning.
Hello, good morning.
Open your din baby free.
John, the test of his already.
Good, my into you.
For sure, we are looking at get it Emma. But I say, man.
Man, so kakra. I say, man, so kakra.
But you're looking at justice. And I'm a boy.
Yereka.
Justice.
Justice. That's a
Uh-huh.
The moon that Ghana, Pepper in house. Uncle, Mamma Straw, Pepper in Ghana. I mean, your son, you're worrying. I mean, your son could say, what do you justice? Now, if you were kissed, or caught, that's for me, I'm a court. You want 2 more than 1 time, man. No, what, not for her, no, what, not for her, no, what, you put tea, we get with it. Justice, no, I hadn't told you for other things. Well, what can I get is justice. I mean, your son could say, justice, now. Visually, if you want now. No, so justice is you.
In your Martin.
Yes.
Medasia. Hello, good morning.
Good morning.
Open your din baby free.
Good morning. I'm sorry.
Nyamia do me who ya pa.
It is not the motive and better basso kakra.
Oh, so what down.
Okay. Now, me pacho.
Hello?
Hello?
Yet your opinion.
Me pacho. MPP not to allow Kasama. And then be out with the say. Come not petrol, never say. Not dollar, say. But on the 30 years, I have been up to it. Let the baby get the emphasis. How can a great entry of my Ghana? You'll be able to say, mistake no more, and no Lucia. And decided the normal as well of Tomboise.
All right, may I say your point is well made. Hello, good morning.
The business say, letter commission declare Mako 2020 declare Mako say. Letter commission in that station, do what say na Ayra. At the president of
All right, may I say, we have our course in this one. Now, a few birthdays, Abba. Yeah, every one of that. That's interesting. First birthday, yeah, and I would that. Yeah, my happy birthday. Also, waha. MC Ariam Quay. The first birthday I don't pay. Yeah, wish it. Also, our happy birthday going out to you, Ada. Ada, happy birthday. Beautiful Ada. And then say Yanko Ponsha. Hey, Mao, yes, Allah, say Uncle Swa, no, no, Kese. You are so beautiful. Enjoy this day knowing that all your loved ones are with you. Where a birthday wish coming from a special person to you. But so on my happy birthday, Ada. Enjoy this blissful day. Thank you. I feel so happy birthday, Nkoma Bella Apau. Bella Apau. Happy birthday, Bells. Oyajbo Ghana Water Company Limited. And then I would say Yankopon in Shamau. May God continue to bless you. May His countenance shine upon you. You are a precious jewel. Happy birthday, our wife. Way every akadengre po. Any yes, happy birthday to you, beautiful one. Enjoy your day. The next birthday, so Ade happy birthday. Ade amount. Now yes, see you. Matia photography. Our man so. And I would day is saying me insha at the mount. Way every papa ho Ebenezer also answer our Sompa FM, Sompa TV. Or say Yamin Shaw no your kesepa. Na kaination to say oh papa or do. Na or say oba beye a chain. The ono anti-man so. And Tisha Holding, they won't say Yami Edo. Black man, happy birthday, see you, Papa B. Enjoy this day. Now, after the last birthday, happy blessed birthday to you. Uriel, Nana Konedu, Ekyokon, from Nana and Nanagere Ekyokon. Happy birthday, Uriel. You are such a beautiful baby. Your name say, Mommy and Daddy, Dodo. na ɛsɛ nyame nhyira ne dom so ɔba bɛyɛ na Ghana ni wiase nyina beto nka. Happy birthday yo. You are special for mommy and daddy and the Ghana nyina. Happy birthday going out to Lydia. Sompa FM Sunyani Lydia. Bekumi feelings no. Happy birthday Lydia. You are a beautiful and hardworking lady. Continue to soar high, Lydia. Enjoy this amazing day. Happy birthday to you. Yanfa Jumadi Nina and say thank you, gentlemen, for joining us. From Nana Kwame, Osu Nkwantabisa, Nana Nkwantabisa, Nyamishaw. Now tell him cho the koye emphasis that my Yamfa, Uncle Yensu Yenipa, Debia, we expect to do better and great. Nyamishaw Bibia. Some right dear. Emba Moba Nama Medodo, the team, the sports team. Yeah. Emba